that louder?
I wouldn't want to look like an idiot.
Okay, good. Touched it.
Did you get it?
Yes, it did.
These are in the grease. That's the problem.
The keys are where?
In the bed. Why are you following me?
I think you got. Yeah, I think you put it. Oh, isn't that where your phone goes?
It said, put your. It needs your phone. It lied to me.
Oh.
I like the key ones better.
A little bit. I'm just What's up, everybody? If you look behind me, we have a Cybertruck in the shop. This thing's pretty cool. There's a lot of interesting features that have to go into this vehicle, but one in particular that we're going to talk about right now. All of the body panels of this truck come stock as stainless steel. Why would you put stainless steel on the outside of your car? Stainless steel is actually highly resistant to corrosion and rust. At least that's what people say. One of the big things is it has an element called chromium, almost like a barrier from any water, extremely hydrophobic. That's definitely one of the reasons. And then another reason is it's bulletproof, so it's strong as all get out. Come this way. Now another question is, why would someone put paint protection film over the top of stainless steel? Paint protection film's number one reason for existence, or the number one reason people get it installed on their car, is to stop rock chips, because rock chips are crazy expensive to fix. They never go away if you don't fix them. So why would you put paint protection film that stops rock chips on a surface that's already bulletproof? Come this way. Paint protection film actually does a few other things just as well as stopping rock chips. One is it can change the aesthetic of your vehicle. Number two, it's actually easier to maintain paint protection film because dirt and dust doesn't really stick to paint protection film the same way it sticks to other metals, paints, whatever have you. And paint protection film also will stop chemical staining from bird droppings or bug splatter. Follow me this way. So in this case, it's definitely for the aesthetic reason. It's changing the color completely, silver metal look, to this matte black look. And once it's all finished, it's gonna look really cool. And this is Cam.
Don't talk to me.
And this is Joe. Funny story. He started out as a janitor at this company and worked his way up, climbing the ladder. We're proud of you, buddy.
Thanks, man.
The American dream right there.